How to download and install Bluetooth driver on Windows. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's just get right into it. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, and then you're going to have to go to this link from Intel. This is the official distributor for your drivers. Now, as you can see, it's going to show you the latest drivers right here on the date. Select the latest version. Go down here and you'll find the available downloads. If you have Windows 10, you can find the other links for download over here on top as well. Now all you have to do is click on this download button. You'll find this link on the description down below. So you can just scroll down and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Now it will start automatically. If it doesn't start automatically to download, you can click on here to download it manually. Now all you have to do is find this on your downloads folder. I'll just click on the folder icon, and then I'll just double tap on it to open it up. Now once you have done that, just wait for a bit, tap on yes, and the driver will start installing. And once the driver has been installed, you could easily go ahead and start using Bluetooth. Just wait for a bit. This pop-up will appear here. Tap on next. Then again, from here, it will check for your status. Preparing for install. Now tap on next again. Click on I accept the terms and license agreement. If you'd like, you could read through all of this. I'll just click on this checkbox and then click on next again. Then you can select your setup type. It's the typical, installs the most common program feature recommended for most users. If you want it to be custom, you could do that as well and complete. I'll just select the first option and then tap on install. Once you do that, the installation will finish, and then you can just tap on next to complete it. And that's basically it. Now you can check your Bluetooth drivers on your device manager. Go to the search bar and simply search for device manager. Hit enter. Now from this list, you'll find your Bluetooth. Click on the drop down and then find your latest driver. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically, and then your best drivers will be already installed. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.